Hä? Du willst drauf?
Okay, we will start with the driver's presentation for the second A main here in Andernach for the EOS round number 2, starting on position 10 from Germany. His car is an X-ray, speedo is hobby wing, motor is hobby wing, batteries are boomerang, body is an X-ray, radio is a Sandra. Sponsors are X-ray, SMI, hobby wing Robotronic, boomerang, Hoekto, ARQ paint, K2, and most important, his dad, car number 10 from Germany, Aaron Münster. Car number 9 on the track, all the way from Denmark. His car is a team associated. Speedo is a Reedy Power, motor Reedy Power, battery is Reedy Power. Body is a J Concept, Sandra is his radio. Sponsors are team associated, Reedy Power, J Concept, KO Paints, 7-Up Racing, DHRS, Rusty Design, Revolution Design, RGB, MSP. Special thanks to my mom and dad, and of course my girlfriend for all support they are giving me. Wonderful, coming all the way from Denmark, position 9, Jesper Rasmussen. Position 8, coming all the way from Czech Republic, driving an X-ray chassis. Speedo is a hobby wing, motor is hobby wing, batteries are Sanpedo, body is an X-ray, radio is Sandra. Sponsors are X-ray, Hoodie, hobby wing, Starbucks. Hiroseki, Sanpedo, Dubi Design, DF Creative, Hoeko, WTF, and Retash. And huge thanks to Martin and Adam for the amazing trip to the US. Place 8 goes to Max Götzel. Welcome to Andernach, Max. Position 7, from Germany, driving an S-Works chassis. Speedo is a McLaren, motor McLaren. Batteries are T-Pro, body is J Concept, radio is a Sandra, sponsors are S-Works, MWRC Products, McLaren, T-Pro, Starbucks, MIP, Motorex, Carbo Cavalieri, 8 Graphics, Left Monitor, and AK Brand. Welcome to the A-Main number 7, Michael Wittmeyer. Starting from position 6, coming all the way from Netherlands, driving a Schumacher chassis, speedo is LRP, motor is LRP, battery LRP, body is Pinguin, radio is a Sandra, sponsors are Schumacher, Sandra, LRP, ORB Racing, Spedic Paint, RD Products, W Design. Special thanks to Quinty and Kohn. From the Netherlands, position 6, Wesley van Helmond. Position 5 goes to Austria, driving an X-ray chassis. Speedo is hobby wing, motor is hobby wing, batteries is Aeromax. Body is an X-ray, radio is a Sandra. Sponsors are X-ray, Woody, Hoeko, H-Speed, Sandra, Proline, Axis, and DF Creative. From Austria, your number 5, Huppo Hönigel. Position 4 goes to Czech Republic. Driving X-ray chassis, speedo is hobby wing, motor hobby wing, batteries are Sanpedo, body is an X-ray, radio is a Sandra. Sponsors are X-ray, hobby wing, Sanpedo, Starbucks, Hoodie, Dubi Design, Hiroseki, H-Speed, DF Creative, and Mibu Sport. Welcome to position 4 from Czech Republic, Martin Bayer. Starting from position 3 from Poland, driving a Schumacher chassis, speedo is an LRP, motor is LRP, battery LRP, body is Aerox, radio is a Sandra M17, sponsors are Schumacher, LRP, Power HD, MF33, Tony Sport, Sandra, Clinic, Trishbits, Korasi, and Dubi Design. Our EOS champion, number 3 from Poland, Michael Orlowski. Coming to position 2. From Germany, driving a Schumacher chassis. Speedo is a McLaren, motor McLaren, batteries are Gens Ace, body is Schumacher, radio is from Sanva, sponsors are Schumacher, Maxima, McLaren, Gens Ace, IS, Cora C, ARK Brand, Ticket 1, and Trishbits. Your number 2 here, also US champion from the past years, Jörn Neumann. Starting from the pole position from sunny Portugal, driving a X-ray chassis. Speedo is a hobby wing, motor is hobby wing, battery is a sun pedal, body is X-ray, radio is a Sunva, sponsors are X-ray, hobby wing, sun pedal, Fuji, Hiroseki, WTF, Dubi Design, Monaco RC, VR1 and Make Graphics. From Portugal, your multiple EOS champion. From the pole position starting, Bruno Coelho. Okay, you can start your engines and make your warm-up lap. So, sun is coming out again. A wonderful second A main on sunny Andernach. We had good luck all over the weekend with the weather. 3 times no rain. Boom. Nothing happened, only warm up. Better now than later in the fence. Oh, alles okay bei Micha. Hier nochmal. Ja, sieht gut aus. Okay, all cars on the grid, please. First final was really close, as we like it. Wonderful fight between the 1 and 2. The win goes to, on the first aim to Jörn. Let's see what happened now. Have a clean race. Marshals are ready. Drivers are ready. Watch the signal.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4.
Okay, here we go. A main number 2 in Andernach for EOS round number 2, season 2020. And here we are in the Schumacher corner. Absolutely clean, the first 5. A small gap between the first 5. Okay, in front the clean run, in the back small crash. But we have a long way in front of us. We are only now in round number 2, so Bruno is in front of Jörn. Then we have Michael, Martin, Upo, and Misha Wittmeier in 6th position. Okay. The lead is 1 second.
4 minutes to drive.
4 minutes to go. 1 second lead for Bruno with the all bright orange X-ray. Behind him the Schumacher car driven by Jörn Neumann in his yellow and red design. And Michael Orlowski in 3rd position with the next Schumacher, and then Martin Bayer with the next X-ray. Everything looks good. Hugo in 5th position, Misha Wittmeier 6, Max Götzel 7, Wesley 8, Aaron 9, and Jesper 10. Here comes Bruno over the double, go to the X-ray straight with this X-ray. Over there was problem on Jörn. No, that is now a hard fight for Jörn. Not easy. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. He's on position 6. Now that gives Bruno a good space, a good break. He is professional enough to see that the gap is behind him, so he can take the corners not so strong, can go a little bit wider. But still, the other guys are also not waiting. They are under pressure. So here is coming Michael Orlowski in 2nd position. The distance is 1.6 seconds. So 1 mistake and Michael is here. But Bruno is professional now. Oh, and here was a mistake by Bruno. Okay, he's still 2nd. Everything is still open in the books. But now in the lead is Michael Olowski with the Schumacher, followed by Bruno, and then you have a big gap. Third position we have Jörn Neumann, and then we have Hupo in 4 and Martin Weyer in 5. So Bruno is now in attack to Michael Olowski. Here's coming Michael Olowski with the Schumacher, going over the double, coming to the express straight, Bruno behind him, and he has 0.5 seconds to lead.
2 minutes to drive.
Then the gap, it's not easy for Jörn by himself to follow these 2 cars in front. He do everything we know, but the gap is too big. The gap is 3 seconds. Here comes Michael Olowski on the straight, followed by Bruno. Yeah, Bruno is there. Bruno is waiting for the missing. There was the gap open for Bruno. Wonderful overtake. That was his chance. He took it. And so now he is back in the lead, followed by Michael. Yeah, but Michael is also now in the position to fight for the place number 1. Yeah, oh, there was no gap. Wonderful. These are professional guys. Wonderful driving. Perfect. The reaction they have is amazing. All the guys here on the racetrack.
1 minute to drive.
1 minute to go. Still 3 seconds the gap for Jörn. No chance to close the gap without any mistake in front of the 2 cars. But Michael is still in the distance to Bruno. Yep, they go over the table and the Schumacher corner. Now we are in the infield, over the tables there and the jumps. Coming over the table in front of the timekeeping. Now the double and the extra straight. Bruno, 0.4 seconds to lead to Michael Olowski. Jörn can close the gap a little bit. We have still 10 seconds. Okay. Here's coming Bruno. Second position Michael over the line. Well, this should be the final lap for both. Bruno, one more over the Tony Sport table. Going over the big table in the Schumacher corner. Then through the infield, all the tables and jumps. Here they come. Yeah, and now the double, and then the extra straight, and everything is still open. The win goes to Bruno Coelho in the second A-man. Michael Olowski second. Jörn Neumann third. Hupo fourth. Martin Bayer 5. Mick Javid Bayer 6. Wesley 7. Max 8. Jesper 9. Aaron 10.